Hello students, today we are starting the Intel 8086 microprocessor. The Intel 8086 microprocessor is a 16-bit microprocessor. It is a 16-bit microprocessor. 16 bits means that its arithmetical logical unit, then internal register, and most of the instructions are designed work on a 16-bit word. That's why it is called as 16-bit microprocessor. Then it has a 16-bit data bus. 16-bit data bus. 8086 has a 20-bit address bus. 20-bit address bus. When we study Intel 8086 microprocessor, first point is coming that architecture of 8086 microprocessor. Before study architecture of 8086 microprocessor, first we see a programming model or register organization of 8086 microprocessor. Then we see a memory segmentation, and third point we see that how 8086 microprocessor generate 20-bit physical address. If we understood these three concepts, then we have easy to understood architecture. So first we start register organization. In register organization, it has a 8-bit register, that is AH, BH, CH, DH, AL, BL, CL, DL. This 8-bit register is used for storing a data temporary purpose. When we store a 16-bit data, that time these registers are combined in this pattern, means this 8-bit register plus 8-bit register equal to 16-bit register. Now this AH combined with AL and we get AX register, that is 16-bit. BH combined with BL and a 16-bit register BX. CH plus CL equal to CX and DH plus DL equal to DX. Then in register organization, 2 pointing and 2 index registers are present. This 2 pointing register means first is SP stack pointer, BP base pointer, then SI source index, DI destination index. Stack pointer SP is a 16-bit. These registers are used to point towards the area of a stack memory. Then BP base pointer is also 16-bit register. It is also used to point a memory. Then source index and destination index both are a 16-bit register, and it is used to point a data stored in either data segment memory or extra segment memory. Then next is a segment register. 8086 microprocessor address up to 1 MB memory. Memory are divided in 4 segments, that is a code segment, data segment, extra segment and stack segment. Each segment starting or base address is stored in a segment register. Code segment starting address is stored in code segment register. Data segment starting address stored in data segment register. Extra segment starting address stored in extra segment register. Stack segment starting address stored in stack segment register. These segment registers are a 16-bit. IP is a 16-bit register. IP is hold a 16-bit address, that is called as offset address of next code byte within the code segment. Then flag register is a 16-bit. Flag register indicates the condition of microprocessor and control its operation. Out of these 16, 9 flags are activated in 8086 microprocessor. Out of these 9, 6 are conditional flags and 3 are control flags. Flag register we will see in detail in next lecture.